In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create charts in Google Sheets and how to customize them too. Google Sheets is such a powerful tool, and knowing how to present your data with a chart can make interpreting your information so much easier and more visually appealing. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to have your data ready in a Google Sheet. Go ahead and open a Google Sheet that contains the data you want to visualize. If you don't already have one, you can easily create a new sheet and input your data there. Once your data is nicely laid out, the next step is to highlight all the cells that comprise your data table. It's important to highlight the exact range you want to be included in the chart. Once your data is highlighted, go to the menu bar and click on Insert. This drop-down menu provides a variety of options for things you can add to your sheet. From here, you'll click on Chart. Google Sheets will automatically create a default chart for you using the selected data. After your chart appears, you might want to reposition it to suit your layout needs. Simply click and drag the chart to your desired spot within the sheet. Placing the chart in the right section can help in organizing your sheet and making it more accessible. Now let's talk about chart types. Google Sheets gives you several options, and selecting the right one depends on the data you have and the story you want to tell. You can select your preferred chart type from the chart editor that appears alongside your newly created chart. It's a good idea to choose a chart type that best represents your data. After you've chosen the type, let's focus on customization to enhance clarity and visual appeal. Click on the Customize tab in the chart editor. This is where the magic happens, and you can really make the chart your own. Under the Customize section, you'll find options for editing legends, which improve clarity by labeling different data series. You can also make changes to the font type and fill color for your legend to ensure it's consistent with your overall presentation style. Adjusting these elements can make your chart much more readable and appealing. To further refine your chart, you may want to adjust the horizontal and vertical axes. Click on Horizontal Axis and experiment with different font types and colors. Similarly, do this for the vertical axis. These changes help in tailoring the axes to fit seamlessly into your overall design theme. Finally, don't forget to update the chart and axis titles to match your data analysis purpose. Update the title text to reflect what's being shown, and make any necessary adjustments to the font type and size to ensure that your title is clear and stands out. By following these steps, you're on your way to producing polished, professional-looking charts that not only capture attention, but effectively communicate the story behind your data. Happy charting in Google Sheets.